Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing something new and different. We are going to a website of an essential oil brand, and I'm going to analyze it, give you my first impression, any red flags that I find, and just kind of go through the steps that I take when researching a brand and deciding whether or not I'm going to order and try them. I'm doing GuruNanda today, but I have a whole list of essential oil companies that I've been like, this is just a highly requested one, but I have a list of other brands. So down in the comments, make sure you put any brand that you want me to do this type of review on, and I will add it to the list. But let's jump into it. I am going to GuruNanda.com. Whoops. There we go. So here is their website. I hope this is working. This is my first time doing. Let's see if that's working. Okay, good. So the first thing I see is they have a range of things, which is I like. I think it's just convenient. Oral care, aromatherapy, supplements, bath and beauty, bundles, which I love. You save money shopping in bundles, miscellaneous, professional pricing. I think this is a brand that is available in a lot of stores. So when people see an essential oil company that's available in a store that they regularly shop at, they're like, oh, this must be a good brand. But when you go on their website, like I'm going to show you, it may or may not be. And so we have to check quality. We have to check sourcing and testing and just go through some of the things. So they have a lot of products, which I like. I'm really interested in the oil pulling. I've never really done it, but I do tongue scraping. So I like all of these oral care products they have. That's nice. Aromatherapy. So I'll just go to that tab. So they have diffusers, modern diffuser, the woodsy. That's only $10. That's like a good price for a little diffuser. They have a few different ones. This one's a humidifier diffuser. That's kind of nice, especially in the winter. Okay, so jumping to the oils, they have some bundles listed first. Top singles, 6 essential oils single notes set. So let's go to that one. It's $18.99. It's on sale $1 off, which that's kind of strange, 6% off. So we get lemongrass, true lavender. So that's a red flag. True lavender is just kind of, I mean, it's not an industry standard like type of, I don't know why they would put that. Peppermint, eucalyptus, cedarwood, and orange. So true lavender is, okay, so it's Bulgarian lavender. Top selling oil and orange from Brazil. So I like that they have where these oils are from. That's a good sign. Brazil, happy oil. Okay, eucalyptus from China. Respiratory aid, clear nasal passages. No safety on like age though for that. Lemongrass from Nepal and India. Makes your home or office smell like a spa. Okay. Washington State. Okay. And then Texas cedarwood. All right. So that information's not terrible. I don't see the Latin names on here. So I need to see that. Let's see if they're on the bottles. I tried to, okay, so it says globally farmed, ethically sourced, natural, therapeutic. That's a red flag. I mean, therapeutic grade is just not a thing. GCMS tested. Okay, so good. Let's see if we can find their test results. So probably because that's a bundle, we're not going to see it there. So let's go. Okay, so $18.99, $18.99, and $18.99 for a set of 6 blends and a set of 6 singles. That's not great. Let's go back to this one. What was this picture? Okay, whoops. Paraben-free aromatherapy certified, GCMS certified. What does this say? Ease of storage, undiluted. So these are undiluted. And then I'm assuming, so blends, are these diluted? Calming. Okay. I wish I could see the back of the essential oil bottle itself to see if these oils were diluted or not. Just that price point is a red flag. They really shouldn't be the same exact price, especially this one has 8 essential oils in this bundle. it says it's so 63% off. That's just an odd number. That's just weird to me. Frankincense. Okay. So an 8-pack of essential oils, frankincense being one of them, for $18.99 is a big red flag. Frankincense is just more expensive than that on its own. Okay, let's go through the singles. Let's go to rosemary. It's $6.49. That's very low. Rosemary, because this is a 15 milliliter bottle, 100% natural, GCMS certified, goes through rigorous testing. This diffuser oil is 100% pure, undiluted, and cruelty-free. So it's just also, it's labeled as it's called a diffuser oil, which is weird too. For DIYs, there's no information on testing right here. For me, it's really a non-negotiable. There are too many good brands that share their test results and their sourcing and a lot more information, that when I see a brand like this, it's not worth it. And also, okay, so I'm seeing $6.49 is the price for all of these single essential oils, and that's just not accurate. The prices should not be all the same. That's a red flag that I share all the time. Especially, I mean, lemon oil and frankincense oil, those are two very differently priced essential oils. Generally, citrus oils are a little bit less expensive. And yeah, it's just frankincense is really expensive, or it's a lot more expensive than lemon essential oil. And so at this point, I would stop and not continue any further, but just for the sake of the video, we're going to go see if we can deep dive into their testing. So if they have test results anywhere, aromatherapy, let's just shop, about us. Let's see about Crossroads, Journey Citizen. Okay. Oral care. Seems like they're really big into oral care, and then they have a couple of essential oils. These remind me of like essential oils that would be at Walgreens or a store that just aren't great quality. Clinical research. That's interesting. Oh, it's more on their oral care. Okay. Our Global Farm Alliance. So it shows where they're getting their essential oils. They source from Global Farm Alliance. First of all, I'm a big believer in the power of friendship. Okay. Second, because I know all of our farmers personally. So they know all of their farmers personally. That's impressive. So why are they priced funky? Guarantee they're growing our plants from non-GMO seeds without pesticides and chemicals. Okay. They're saying some good things here. I just fairly priced. Okay. Terms, shipping, refund, privacy, frequently asked questions. Let's see. So general, Ayurveda, GuruNanda started. Okay. Oral care, lots on that. Supplements. And then essential oils finally. So can I ingest? Never ingest essential oils. That's not true. Can I ingest, or I'm sorry, can I use essential oils on my skin? We always suggest speaking with a healthcare professional. That's very, additionally, if you know or suspect you might be allergic. Okay. GCS tested. So there's a little typo. It's important that any essential oils you diffuse or apply to the skin are GCS tested. And all of, let's see if we can open that. Okay. So that just goes to the shop link. That's not like the test results. If you have taken these steps, you can apply 3 to 5 drops of an oil to 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Okay, so that's vague, and 3 to 5 drops into a teaspoon. Okay, this will help you receive the benefits without overloading your system. Can I use essential oils as a natural deodorant, just like undiluted or impure essential oils should never be used on the skin? Our peppermint lavender roll-ons are designed to be applied topically. Dandruff. Why? What are chemically based? Why are air fresheners bad? Okay. Are Aroma Guru oils GCMS tested? Because Aroma Guru oils are pre-blended in a carrier oil, GCMS testing cannot be performed. Aroma Guru? Okay. Can you use clove oil on an abscess? Yeah. Where's the frankincense from? What are the beauty benefits of frankincense? Toning. It's very specific. Can frankincense help with under eye bags? Can castor oil, that's not an essential oil. Castor oil, rosemary. And can babies use? Okay. So what did that say about Aroma Guru oils? Aromatherapy. Aroma Guru. I don't know what that means, but there it says they're pre-diluted and cannot be tested. I don't know. There's too many at this point. Okay, here's roll-ons. So these look like regular bottles. They're not roll-ons that I've seen before with just like a roller top on it. Oh, okay. So randomly on this pack of 4 roll-ons, there is a test. Can I make this bigger? Okay. So analyzed by, and then on, so it's from 2022. So it's 2 years old. GuruNanda lavender. Okay. So linol oxide. High in linol acetate. Okay. This analysis sample meets the expected chemical profile of authentic essential oil lavandula angustifolia. Okay, so they have a random test on one of the images of a pack. So it's not good enough for me. Let me actually get out of here so I can wrap up this video. Okay, so after just looking at everything, it's just things aren't lining up, and it's just red flags are going off for me. So I would give this brand a no. And they have potential. Like they have a couple of good things on their website, but it doesn't pass my test of what I need and look for in essentials at this point. So if you've tried them and you like them, let me know what you think about what I found on their website. Like, have you found that there's other testing somewhere else? Like it was just in a random spot. Usually like for Simply Earth or Revive, they have batch numbers on the bottle. And you can go on and just look up by batch number. So that's a legit way of showing that you have test results ready. Just having a random image on one of the listings and on just it was the pack of rollers. So that's probably pre-diluted anyway. If it's a roller labeled for just regular immediate topical use, I don't know, it just wasn't adding up for me. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this video, and let me know what brands you want me to do next. Thanks for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.